What's good, guys? So this is the update of the trade analysis I did on fixed income index yesterday. So the video is on my channel. The way to go watch the video is the last video basically. So you can see that this index has been moving massively in profits. Yeah, I held my buy, which I got into at this point, at this zone, and I've been holding my buys. My first TP has been smashed, and market is headed to my second TP, then my third TP, which is on the identified order block we talked about in the last video. Yeah, this is the analysis. I still left everything as how it was. So to show you guys that it's possible to be successful in trading. It's possible to predict the market until the market go as you predict. It's possible to make money from the market. It's possible to get it done. Yeah, you just have to get the right knowledge, believe in yourself, and put in the work. So that's it basically. I trusted my analysis. I was very patient with my setup, and I believed that the market is going to give the expected buys. Like I said in the last video, that seeing this level basically on the daily time frame, this level of support, yeah, let's clear this thing. Seeing this level of support here, this was the lowest lows of the market, which price got to and reversed, yeah. And this move happened on the 17th of April 2024. So if market can get to this level and give the bullish reversal, market can still repeat the same thing. Market can repeat the same move at this zone, because analysis is basically using past market reaction, past market moves to predict what could happen next. Past market zones, the zones that the market expected previously, months ago, years ago. If price can get to those levels again, there is possibilities and potentials of getting reversals, of getting a good move from those levels. So we can take advantage of all these levels. I don't think there's any big deal in predicting the market. All we have to work on mostly is our psychology, our greed, our patience, our discipline. That's what matters most. In market prediction, I don't think there's much work basically. Like for example, we got this zone on the daily time frame, which we can see getting price sell on that level as a resistance. After getting the two sells on that level, we've gotten a confirmation as this level being a strong level of resistance. And this move happened on, let's check the dates. It happened on the, would say 15th of February, yeah, 2024. So if markets can give the sell reaction on that zone and come back to the same level again on the 22nd of February, like a week later, yeah, there's possibilities of same market doing what you expect this level and giving the sales on this level. So someone who was able to identify this level as a strong level of resistance can possibly predict the sales from this zone and make good money from the market. So you can see how easy it is. So we still got another level on which price got to, and got the market's reaction from this same level of resistance. Getting the last one, which happened on the, I think, 22nd of February, yeah, 23rd. The last move happened on the 23rd, and market came back to the same level on the 22nd of March. Would say a month later, price came back to the same zone. So these are historical levels on which markets could potentially react on. So when you are doing your top-down analysis, do well to identify these levels, do well to take note of these levels, do well to spot these levels, because there are potential trade zones, there are potential entry levels in the market. So you can see price doing the same thing here, giving the sales from this zone. So that's how easy it is basically. But one thing about these levels is that the market will not respect these levels all the time. Yeah, this level will not be expected all the time. That's why trading is a game of probability. That's the reason why you have to manage your risk. Always risk what you can afford to lose. But trading with these levels, you have potentials, you have probabilities, or you have high probabilities of seeing, you have high chances of seeing the markets go as you predict. Yeah, so that's it basically. That's how I was able to predict the buy trade on VIX index. As you can see, I was able to spot this level on the daily time frame. I was able to identify this level, and we had the first reaction here. I think that was on the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame basically. Yeah, market didn't really give a foot up, but when we extend this to, you can see that we got the first test of this level, which price reacted on as a support. You can see there, market reaction on that level as a support. So price came back to the same level again, giving the second reaction on this level. First reaction there, second reaction at this point. So having this level identified as a level that price has reacted on whenever market gets to it, yeah, and the lowest lows of the market, we can easily predict that if price can come back to the same level, we have potentials of getting the bullish reversal. And that's how I was able to take the buy trade. That was how I was able to predict the buys on VIX 100 index. I'm moving in massive profit, and I was able to identify this formation here as a bullish build up. The market played around a couple of times yesterday, but I was very much patient with my setup. I trusted my analysis. I was very much patient here. I expected the buys, and I was comfortable with my risk. Yeah. So we can see that this level, this formation here was a build up, a market build up, a bullish build up in the market, which price was moving in. We had this consolidation which moved for hours throughout yesterday. We had price consolidate inside of this zone. On this consolidation, we saw market create this descending channel formation. This is what boosted my buy confidence on this index on seeing this descending channel formation, and these formations are bullish reversal pattern formations or bullish continuation pattern. So identifying this formation, I knew that we are going to get more buys on this index. So I had my entries here. Second entry, my SL was below this structure. Right now I'm safe in this trade because I moved my stop loss above my entry and I've closed out on some positions. More buys is expected basically on VIX 100 index. So you can see how well I'm moving in massive profits. My second CP is about to get smashed. My first CP has been smashed already, and my third CP, which is on this bearish order block, and this level where I'm expecting price to reverse from, is an important zone. Yeah, when we mark out this level properly, you can see that this has been a level that market has also reacted on. Me personally, I'll be looking to shorten this index from this point on getting good confirmations. Yeah, this is a level that market has reacted on. Seeing that we got price reaction here, resistance, resistance here, yeah, support at this point. So we have possibilities of same price doing what, sell from this zone, give the sales from this level, because the general market direction of this index is still downtrend. Let's not forget this index is still on a downtrend, so we have higher probabilities of getting the sales to the buys. So any possible level of resistance, we could see price do what, sell from it. So back to the 4 hour time frame, this has been a strong level, yeah, a level that market has always expected. Whenever price gets to it, a strong level of resistance, and adding to it, we had price do what, create an order block formation here, a bearish order block. So if price can push up to this level, we have possibilities of seeing price do what, give the sales from this zone back to this level of support at this point, and confirmations of this sell zone, which is our potential next trade level. We're bringing up our Fibonacci to matching it up from the swing highs here to the swing lows, and you can see that this sell zone basically is on the 50.0 fib level, and you have the 61.8 level here, which we also have to support. Yeah, the 61.8 level there. So this is our sell zone. Like I said in the last video, let's watch out for this level for potential sell opportunity, for possible sell trade at this point. Yeah, so that's my analysis. Basically, that's how I predict the buy trade on VIX 100 index by doing a proper top-down analysis, identifying my levels and zones, spotting my market structure, my market level, reading meaning into the market moves, because I was able to spot this bearish run, right? These massive sales we've got for days on VIX 100 index, and I knew that we could get a reversal, because seeing this previous level and having that the market has been selling previously, we have potentials of getting a reversal from this zone, because it's assumed that the sellers would lose out on their sell power, because they have been selling, they have taken charge of the market for days, so the buyers could come into the market and give a reversal, give a bullish reversal. So that's how they will predict the buys from this zone, right? So that's my analysis basically, and market breakdown on VIX 100 index. So my second tip is about to get smashed, and my third CP. So that's it, guys. That's how to predict the buy trade on VIX 100 index by spotting the market levels and zones, then going down to a lower time frame to get my entry points. So for more trade breakdowns like and market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. It means a lot, guys. Let's do more, and have a wonderful day.